This is National Weather Service in Elko bringing you an updated web brief this Sunday afternoon for a winter storm that is currently pushing across northern and central Nevada. For all of northern and central Nevada, there is high confidence that the next storm system will bring moderate impacts to the region tonight and Monday. The main impacts will be minor to moderate snow accumulations over the forecast area, as well as breezy to windy conditions that will allow for blowing and drifting snow. These impacts will cause difficulties to travel on area roadways. Here is the water vapor image captured earlier today at 3 p.m. Pacific Standard Time Sunday. Surface low pressure, seen as the script L, is currently over north-central Nevada with a trailing cold front across central Nevada through southern California. Further west, seen as the bigger capital L, the upper level part of the storm that will move over Nevada later tonight. Here's the latest surface weather forecast map for tomorrow morning at 4 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. The cold front is expected to be well east of Nevada. After the frontal passage, some additional snow showers will be possible, especially along northern-facing slopes. This will lead to some minor accumulations on those slopes. This is a map of the current headlines for northern and central Nevada. All zones are under a winter weather advisory through 10 a.m. Pacific Standard Time Monday, except Humboldt County, which runs through 1 a.m. tonight. In addition, a wind advisory has been issued for northern Nye County from 10 a.m. until 6 p.m. Pacific Standard Time Monday. The above image is the latest forecast snowfall amounts for tonight into Monday. Snowfall amounts have been adjusted slightly higher, with about 2 to 6 inches possible across the valley locations in northern and central Nevada. Some of the higher passes could see higher amounts of 3 to 8 inches. The mountain regions could possibly see 6 to 12 inches or more. Travel impacts are possible on all Nevada roadways during this time period, particularly tonight through tomorrow morning commute. The worst impacts will be along I-80 and U.S. Highways 50 and 93, as these areas are expected to get 2 to 6 inches, with higher amounts over the passes and summit. There was a slight increase in the snow amount forecast versus yesterday. At this time, it looks like snow accumulations of 2 to 6 inches are possible in the valleys and 6 to 12 inches or more in the mountains. In addition, breezy conditions will allow for some blowing and drifting snow across the area, causing driving challenges tonight and Monday. A winter storm is now impacting much of northern and central Nevada with minor to moderate snow accumulations to the forecast area tonight and Monday. In addition, some wind is expected with this system, which will aid in some blowing and drifting of snow. This could lead to minor to moderate impacts on area roadways. As always, please plan ahead during this winter season and make sure loved ones know where you are traveling and what your expected arrival times will be. There is a possibility of some light additional accumulations along northern-facing slopes due to a northerly flow and a favorably moisture profile. Finally, high pressure will build over the area beginning Tuesday, and any locations that have a snowpack and relatively clear skies at night we'll see their morning lows bottom out in the single digits or lower. This has been National Weather Service in Elko with a web briefing on the potential impacts and hazards on an upcoming winter storm. For the latest weather watches, warnings, and advisories, please visit our website at www.weather.gov/elko. Thank you for listening.